All right, we're having a late February thaw. It's been cold for more than 2 months. All the snow is coming off the roof. This is a building on our property. Everybody always worries about when there's a thaw, the underground not working. So you can hear the water running. Obviously, I've neglected to clean out the leaves. This has a clog-free design. We advertise it clog-free. We were just awarded our 3rd patent on this leaf filter. You can hear the water running behind the leaves. It's coming down, no problem. So this is a clog-free design. The water will run through the leaves. And because this screen is coarse, and it's on a 45-degree angle, the leaves can't lay flat and form a seal. So this is part of one of our patents that we've been awarded. A lot of thought went into this. So everybody's always worried about these underground systems working. We vent this in case your line is frozen when the thaw happens, but I'm telling you, everything thaws out simultaneously. We don't have any issues. We just don't. Boy, that's a lot of leaves. I got to get better at that. So when do you clean the leaves out? Every time it rains. As a rule of thumb, every single time you get rain, you're going to flush leaves down your downspout. You can hear the water. It's not coming out of the vent. It's splashing a little bit out of the vent, but not bad, just a little bit. Let's see what we got. We got a thaw right now. Snow's melting off the roof. People always worry about underground buried downspout systems not being ready when the thaw occurs. Everything, it basically just thaws out simultaneously. When water starts to run and you go above freezing, the water will melt any ice in its path. So our catch basin thaws right out. Our catch basin flows water no matter what. Only the bottom freezes, the top stays open. And this is on a pop-up. This is also a 4-inch system. And it's working fantastic. So I like to have a door on them. The ones that don't have doors, you end up with a lot of mold and mildew all over the structure. You want to have a door so it contains the majority of that splash. Not too many leaves in here, just a few. Screen very coarse on a very steep angle. It's a really steep angle. We had 3 prototypes, so this was the 4th. We had 3 prototypes that we refined, and this was the finish. This was our number 4 leaf filter, so to speak, after a year of R&D. A little bit of leaves in there. It's thawing, it's running down, no problem. So if you leave this downspout sticking down in it a little bit, it won't splash out the vent. You want it to come down to the door opening right here for best results. Again, always have a leaf filter that has a door. You want to contain that splash. And this has a really nice shape to it. Shaped like a funnel. All the water just finds its way right into the underground downspout system. There's no leaf filter, nothing, not even a distant second that'll hold as many leaves as this leaf filter will and still work really, really well. Large capacity. You check it after every rain. Once you get to summer and there's no more leaves blowing around, you don't have to worry about it. You just start checking it come fall again. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. It supports the channel. If you have any questions regarding this installation, leave them in the comments section. I'm your host, Robert Sherwood, and until the next video.